Sargoth's prison lies in depths of the temple. But even here I can feel his foul magics at work. The spirits of my brethren are under his control. They will rise against us. Persevere and we will meet ahead.
And try again.
The barriers that block us also serve to hold back his power. When one is breached, the other bears the strain. As Sargoth's bonds weaken, his power to summon humankind will only... There is a summoning ring beyond this barrier, hero. Kill the mages, and the ritual will end. Well done, champion. I am activating the gateway to the...
Marauders of the Ashen Wastes, hear your master's call!